Welcome to Genius Kiddies channel. My name is Temitope. I would like to encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can watch educative, informative, and well-explained teachings. Thank you. So, our topic today is simple subtraction of numbers. Simple subtraction of numbers. If you talk about subtraction, it simply means separation or taking one number away from the other. We sometimes call it take away. We call it minus. That is a kind of decrease from the original number. This is the sign of subtraction. It's like a dash or an hyphen. That's the sign of take away. So anywhere you see this, just know that it's talking about, in mathematics especially, it's talking about what? Subtraction. So when we say simple subtraction of numbers, we want to look at how to subtract one number away from another. Normally, for your level, we subtract smaller number away from the bigger number. That is one thing you should know. We subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Okay, let's say for example, subtract 5 from 9. What this is saying is that out of 9, you should subtract 5. So how do I do this? I have it would be 9, take away, do you remember this sign? Take away 5 equal to. Okay, how do I take away 5 from 9? What I will do is that I will count my 9, lay out all the 9 I have, and carefully take away what? 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is only 9 that I will count because that's all I have. Then I do what? I carefully take away 5. Now let's take away 5 from this 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So once I take away 5 from it, I will count the remainder. What's left? Now what's left is called the remainder. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. My answer is 4. So if I take 5 away from 9, I'll be having 4. Another example, if I have my 8 and I'm being asked to take away 2, how do I do it? Then I count my 8. The bigger number is what we will count, which is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I take away what? 2. Let's take away 2. 1, 2. Let's count the remainder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My answer is what? 6. So if I have 8, I'm taking away 2. My remainder will be 6. When counting, make sure you are careful. You can see I try to space what I'm counting so that there will not be mix up. Let's say for instance I have 7 and I'm asked to take away 7. How do I do this? Then I count my 7. In this case the numbers are equal. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you tell me what's left? Nothing. So nothing in mathematics means is 0. So 7 take away 7 is 0. As a matter of fact, any number, if you are taking away a number from itself, is what? Going to give you 0. Now we are going to be looking at if we have 2 digits. Let's say for instance I have 15 take away 7. Let's say that. How do I do this? Then of course I can still go ahead and count my 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count the remainder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is what? 8. So this one we now have 2 digits, and you are asked to have 28 take away 13. Instead of having to count 28, you know, when we were counting 15 the other time, it seems like it's long. So this is how to do it. You do it under tens and units. I hope you still remember your place value. This 28 means what? Means this, let us have your tens here, have your unit. It means 2 tens and 8 units. It means 2 tens, because place value of 2 here is 2 tens and 8 units. So you have your 2 here and you have your 8 written under here. Then of course you have your 13, that is 1 10 and 3 units. Your takeaway sign must be here to show us what you are doing. In this case, you have tried to simplify the numbers. You start from your unit side. Don't start from here. Always start from the unit side. Count your 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take away 3. 1, 2, 3. Count the remainder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your answer is 5. Now you come to the 10 side. Count your 2. 1, 2. Take away 1. 1. The remainder is 1. So 28 take away 13 is 15. Final answer. One more example before we call it a day. We have your tens. You have your, let's say you have your 35. Take away 14. How do you do this? Have your tens and units. Your 35 remains 3 tens and 5 units, and your 14 will mean 1 10 and 4 units. Your takeaway sign, then you have your equal to sign. 5 take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The remainder is 1. Have your 1 here. Then 3. 1, 2, 3. Take away 1. 1. Count the remainder. 1, 2. So you have 2 tens and 1 unit, which is 21. Final answer. I believe you do understand how to solve simple subtraction of numbers. Thank you so much.